Ma'am, bakit po tayo nandito?
Bibili tayo ng new car.
Yes, anak. Alam mo naman na binangga ng ate mo yung kotse last month.
Grabe dad, hindi ko naman binangga. Hindi ko naman sinasadya eh.
Ewan ko sa'yo, napakatigas ng ulo. Sabi na, wag nang ilabas na subdivision kasi nga, di pa marunong.
O, tama na yan. Ayun na yung nagbibento.
Hello, ma'am and sir. Welcome. How may I help you?
Bibili raw po kami new car.
What type of car po ba ang want nyo, ma'am and sir? Yung may airbag siguro. Wala kasing lubas na airbag sa amin nung nabangga. Huwag na lang at walang masyadong nasaktan sa loob.
Oh, baka po luma na yung kotse kaya po hindi po gumawa. Here po, all of the cars on sale dito is my airbags. Excuse me, miss. Can I ask? What is this airbag po?
Oh, and sabi po ng teacher namin may chemical reaction din daw po siya.
Good question, ma'am. Hello! We are the mitochondrias. Did you guys miss us? Kami nagbabalik upang ibahagi sa inyo ang airbags and its connection with chemical reaction. So first, ano nga muna ang chemical reaction? It is a process in which one or more substances, the reactants, are converted to one or more different substances, the products. Substances are either chemical elements or compounds. A chemical reaction rearranges the constituent atoms of the reactants to create different substances as products. Chemical reactions must be distinguished from physical changes. Physical changes include changes of state, such as ice melting to water and water evaporating to vapor. If a physical change occurs, the physical properties of a substance will change, but its chemical identity will remain the same. And in this case, ang car airbags ay isang uri ng chemical reaction. An airbag is a vehicle occupant restraint system using a bag designed to inflate extremely quickly, then quickly deflate during a collision. The airbag provides an energy-absorbing surface between the vehicle's occupants and the steering wheel, instrument panel, body pillar, headliner, and windshield. But how does chemical reaction in airbags occur exactly? And does it have evidence observed in the chemical reaction of car airbags?
Airbags are not inflated from some compressed gas source, but rather from the products of a chemical reaction. The chemical at the heart of a airbag reaction is called sodium azide, or NaN3. Under normal circumstances, this molecule is quite stable. If heated though, it will fall apart. The chemical equation 2NaN3 will form into 2Na with 3N2. It describes exactly how it falls apart. Notice how the second product of the above reaction is N2, also known as nitrogen gas. That's not the only chemistry involved. Notice that the other chemical into which sodium azide falls apart is Na, or sodium. Sodium is a very reactive metal that will react rapidly with water to form sodium hydroxide. As a result, it would be quite harmful if it got into your eyes, nose, or mouth. So, to minimize the danger of exposure, airbag manufacturers mix sodium azide with other chemicals that will react with the sodium and in turn make fewer toxic compounds. What prompts an airbag to inflate by way of this reaction? There are sensors in the front of the automobile that detects collision. Since we have discussed the meaning of airbags and their correlation with chemical reaction, we're now moving on to their importance.
So how really important are airbags? Airbags are supplemental protection and are designed to work best in combination with seat belts, both frontal and side impact. Airbags are generally designed to deploy in moderate to severe crashes and may deploy in even a minor crash. With frontal airbags, The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety reports that fatality reduction for belted drivers and head-on accident is 52%, and with side airbags with head protection, the reduction is 37%. The risk of fatalities among drivers was reduced by 52%, and SUVs that have side airbags with head protection. Airbags are designed to automatically inflate in the event of a sudden deceleration or impact force that would indicate a collision. Once the bag is full of air, it protects the driver or a passenger. It can protect the passenger by increasing cushioning around his neck, head, and spine, decreasing the amount of force impacting a person's head by limiting the distance it can fling forward, decreasing the risk that a victim will project through the window or be ejected from the car.
Now, how do airbags protect us? The airbags will protect you by preventing impact on your body from your chest and above, and there are supplementary units to prevent injury to the head or chest from the steering or dashboard or even glass or anything else. Here are the types of airbags.
Airbag deployment. In general, an electronic signal is sent from the airbag system's electronic control unit to an inflator within the airbag module when there is a moderate to severe crash. Within the blink of an eye, the gas produced by an igniter in the inflator inflates the airbag in less than 1/20th of a second.
Side airbags. Head and chest protecting side airbags are designed to inflate inside crashes to prevent people's head and chest from contracting, intruding parts of vehicle side structure, a striking vehicle or an object such as a tree or a pole. Frontal airbags. Front airbags are designed to inflate in moderate to severe frontal crashes to prevent a person's head and chest from contracting hard structures in the vehicle.
We should stay protected, replace used airbags after a crash. To ensure that the airbags deploy only once, replace used airbags immediately and only at an authorized repair shop before driving the vehicle again.
How can they be sure that airbags can really save lives? Does it save lives? Motor vehicle passengers can be saved by airbags in accident. Motor vehicles have been proven to increase passenger safety and survival in motor vehicle accidents. When a vehicle is involved in a crash or rolls over, airbags protect the passenger's head from striking the side of the car or rigid objects like trees and poles. Inside impacts, airbags are also critical to protecting the occupant who can still be hit by an object inside the vehicle. So that is the importance of airbags. Yes, sir, airbags are an essential part of our lives. Thus, I hope you will recognize its significance.
Thank you, ma'am. I hope na makapagpasya kayo na dito bumili at may natutunan kayo about airbags.